welcome to my channel. I'm Maria, aka Agape Love Girl. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm back with a new fashion try-on haul to share with you guys. This time I hauled some clothes from Thread Up. I first heard about this brand through Raw Beauty Christy. She's done a couple sponsored videos with them, and I was instantly intrigued because, for one, you guys know I like clothes and fashion. I like shopping. I love shopping on a budget. That's why I like places like Ross and usually Maurice's, because they have good clearance, and then they also do lots of good discounts, and places like Deb's or Deb because they're a lot more affordable. So Thread Up is even better because they're affordable, but it's also shopping, what's the word, what am I thinking of? Shopping smart, like kind of recycling up clothing, because Thread Up is an online thrift store. And I actually do really like thrift shopping. I haven't gone thrift shopping in a long time because I have to go to a bigger city because the ones here in my small town aren't that great. But I love thrift shopping. There's so many gems. You can find really great clothing that's been gently used, sometimes even new, at thrift shops, and it's kind of the same thing with Thread Up, but it's online. And what's really cool, if you guys already know about Thread Up, I'll put a little timestamp you guys can skip forward, but if you don't know about Thread Up, I just want to share a little bit about the website. And this is not a sponsored video. I would love if Thread Up discovered me and wanted to sponsor me, but it's not. I purchased these myself. I just want to tell you a little bit about it. You can shop this site when you sign in and kind of set your preferences. So you can shop by your size, and it will only show things that are in your size. You can shop by category, so dresses, shirts, all that stuff, kind of similar to any other shopping clothing website. And you can also shop by brand. So if there's a specific brand that you like, you can type that in and it will show up all the items in your size in that brand as well, which I just think is so neat. So there's all different kind of ways you can shop the site, and they make it a little bit easier for you to find stuff that'll suit you. So you're not having to search through pages and pages of stuff and see something cute, but then like, oh, it's not in your size. So I love that. It just makes it really easy. And so yeah, that's basically the gist of it. If there's any information that I forgot, I'll put it in the description box, as well as a link to Thread Up if you have not heard of it. I used a discount code. I don't know how long it'll be active, but Christy had a discount code, so that's what I use. So I will refer to her video because you could check her description box with the info on how to use her code. I think it was like 25% off your first purchase, so I took advantage of that. Now everything comes packaged in a very cute little polka dot box like this, and it's also wrapped up in cute tissue paper that is polka dot like this. And so it's very nice. Everything looks very well taken care of. It also describes on the website the condition that the item is in. It'll say something like new condition, or it'll even say brand new with tags, or whatever the condition may be. If it's not in amazing condition, it will note the little things that might be wrong with it, so it lets you decide what the condition is and if you're wanting to purchase it and stuff like that. But the prices are really great, and it's really fun to shop. And I really wanted to get a few like new dress pieces for church, dresses and dress shirts and stuff like that, so that's what I focused on for what I bought with this haul. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and just get into it. Now the first item I got is one I'm bummed to say doesn't fit me, so I won't have a try on for you of it. I'm surprised it doesn't fit me. I think it must have just shrunk, or whoever had it washed it maybe weird and it shrunk, because I have one actually just like it. Okay, so here's what it is. It's this lacy, it's a see-through long sleeve shirt, but I bought this because I actually have one just like it from the brand Maurice's. The size is large, and it's the same size that I have. And the one I have is a white lace over shirt like this. It's see-through, and it has a black cross on it. And it's really cute. It's very comfortable. I know the one I have is very like stretchy and looks really cute over any kind of undershirt you want to put on underneath it. And so I thought, because this one was burgundy and black, and I love that type of color, and I knew I loved this shirt from Maurice's, I was like, ooh, I'll get that. I know it'll fit me. But this one doesn't. Doesn't have as much stretch as the one I have does. So that was a little bit of a bummer for me. I was expecting it to be the exact same, and it's unfortunately not. So I might pass this down to my daughter, because that's how small it is and doesn't fit me, which is strange because I know Maurice's sizes, their size large shirts, do fit me really well. And so anyways, that one did not work out for me. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to a shirt that did work really well for me. I've already worn it twice. It's really, really cute. It's again another sheer kind of see-through top that you would wear with an undershirt. I really like those kind of tops. I don't know why, I just think they just look pretty. This is one that is from the brand Lauren Conrad, and I got it in a size extra large, and it's just this black, you're not going to probably see it very well here, but it's this black lacy kind of dress top. It's super, super cute. Now when I wore it, I paired it with skinny jeans, and I rolled up the bottom, and I paired it with some really cute blingy red high heels, and I thought I just made a really, really cute outfit. I felt really chic. I was kind of more dressy but not like super fancy dressed up, and it's a very, very comfortable shirt. The length is nice. I like the length, the sleeves, and the arms feel very comfortable. I wasn't sure because I've never worn anything Lauren Conrad, but this fits me really well, and I think it makes for a really, really cute outfit. So I'm really excited that I got this because, like I said, I've already worn it twice, a few different occasions, and I felt so great in it. The next thing I got was a really cute dress. You're not going to be able to see it here. You'll have to see me in my try-on, but it's a gorgeous coral colored dress. This is from the brand Jessica Simpson. Again, Jessica Simpson is a brand that I've never really tried on before. I wasn't sure what their sizing would be like, so I was glad to see that this was in a size 14. Now I wear dresses anywhere from like a 10 to a 14. A 14 is probably a little bit big for me, but I figured that a 14 would probably be good just in case this size ran small. For some reason I had a feeling this brand might run a little bit small, so it worked out really perfectly that this is size 14 because it literally fits me perfectly. Now this is a halter top dress. It is so, so cute. I absolutely love this color. I don't wear it a lot because there's not many things I feel like I could find that are in this color, but I used to have a dress that was in this color from Maurice's that I wore all the time. But this color, especially in the summer, I think just looks really great against my tan skin, and I also just think this dress type is super, super flattering. Additionally, it has these pockets, and it just, I don't know, it's so fun, it's flirty. I feel really chic in it. I feel really cute in it. I love the way it looks. I love the belt. Really, really cute find. I'm so glad that I picked this one up. All right, next up is this dress. Well, it fits me more like a shirt. If it were available, like if I were buying this from a normal website and there were more options of different sizes, I would have probably needed to get this in extra large, but this is a size large. It's a really cute dress. I really fell in love with the pattern on it. It's kind of like a lacy, like floral pattern, and it has this little elastic cinch in piece that kind of mocks the look of a belt to kind of cinch you in. I also really like the style how it kind of like hangs off the shoulders right here. And it's just really cute, but it is just a little bit too small for me. I still think it looks really cute, but it's definitely something I have to wear more as like a long shirt, maybe with some leggings or something, or some really tight fitted skinny jeans, and I still think it'll look cute. But I originally bought it because I thought it was a dress, and I thought it would have been a really, really cute dress, but even still I think it'll be a cute top, but I'm still pretty happy with this pick. Next up is another dress. This again is from the brand Maurice's, which is a brand that I really like and shop a lot. I got the size large, and this fits me perfectly. I have another dress, again, very similar. That's another reason why I got this dress. I have pretty much the same exact dress. It's in the shade navy blue though, but I was really drawn to this really bright pinky coral, just a vibrant pinky shade. Super, super pretty. Again, I love wearing those bright colors against my like tan skin in the summer. It does have this little belt, and it's a really cute dress, very easy to wear and very comfortable to wear. I wore this already once to church, and what I did was go ahead and pair it with a jean jacket, and I really liked the way that looked. But of course, if I were just wearing this kind of out and about, not at church, I probably wouldn't wear it with the jacket necessarily. I really like, especially in the summer, to wear tube tops and like have bare shoulders, because I do really like my shoulders and décolleté area, and also I like to wear those kind of tops in the summer if I'm being out and about, because I don't like tan lines, and so this helps prevent that. Next up, I got this fun little top, and it's just like a little workout type kind of top. It has like a built-in sports bra. It's basically like a sports bra with a little bit of fabric kind of draped over it to make it a shirt, but it's really, really cute. It's from the brand Zell, which I've never, Zell or Zelly, it's, no, Zella, which I've never heard of before. I did get this in a size large, and I believe this one was like actually like brand new, not just not worn at all. I believe it was brand new, and it's in really great condition. I think it's really cute, and it fits me really well. I was really surprised because I do have a larger chest, so sometimes some larges don't fit me as well as I think they will, and sometimes they do. I don't know, but this was a large. It fits me really well. It's a really cute outfit. So I'm one of those people who get really inspired working out when I wear something really cute and I feel cute, because it kind of helps. So I love this. It's super cute. And the last thing I purchased from ThredUp is a pair of shoes, and these are like Oxford style high heels, and they're really cute. The brand is Maurices, and I actually have three or four pair of heels from Maurices. I'm pretty familiar with their heels and the comfortability of them. I'm a size 9 for anybody curious. I love Maurices heels. The pair that I have, the three pair that I have of Maurices heels are all pretty much the same style of high heels. They're just in different colors. I have the nude pair, the black pair, and then the silver pair. They're my favorite. They're so comfortable to wear. And so when I saw these heels also from the brand Maurices on there, I was like, ooh, I love that. Additionally, I love this Oxford, I believe that's what it's called. Is it Oxford style heel? I think, yeah, that's what it's called. This is like the Oxford style. Normally it's like that black and white kind of style, but anyways, I feel like a couple of years ago this like Oxford style came back on trend. I remember because I bought a pair of Oxford heels. They're blue suede shoes. They're really cute. Not from Maurices, but from Payless Shoes, and I love those as well. And I love those styles, and I've always wanted more colors of those kind of Oxford heels, and these pretty much look exactly like my blue ones, only they're brown, so they're just a little bit more versatile. I've also already worn these to church. I like wearing this style of heel, or kind of like booty style, with dresses as well as skinny jeans. There's something about a cute heel or shoe to dress up a casual jean look, and they're very comfortable. I love that it has like this little satin ribbon tie for the laces, and yeah, I'm so excited about those actually, because like I said, I love my blue suede Oxford heels, and I'm glad to have another pair that's a little bit more of a versatile color so I can wear them more often. But yeah, that was it. That's my ThredUp haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything I got and seeing how everything looked on me and my experience with ThredUp. I'd love to know if you guys have heard of ThredUp, if you've tried shopping there, and if you haven't heard of them and you like thrift shopping, then I definitely suggest you check them out. It's really fun to just look over the site and find new things to wear. And I love the idea of it too, because we do tend to get caught up in this whole world of fast fashion and stuff that's just cheaply made and then just quickly discarded. And I love the idea of like upcycling, or you know, getting clothes that other people would throw away or get rid of, and they can still be new and fun for your wardrobe. So I thought it was super fun, and I don't know, I definitely feel like I will probably shop there again when I'm in need of clothing. So that's it. I hope you guys like this video and this try on haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, much love and hugs to you. Bye, beauty babes.